Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study moral science. See, living values means living values. Okay, so let's start. Now children, see here moral science means living science book chapter 4. I write here chapter name God is powerful. Okay, and pages 13 14. So children, first open the page 13. See here page 13. Okay, so now we will be doing revision of living values chapter God is all powerful, question B. Okay, B. Okay, BC, page 13 BC. First B. See here children, B. Write true or false below each sentence. So children, page 13 B, true false. Okay, number 1. See, God can see in the night. Its sentence is true or false. So you know, no children, God can see in the night. Yes, so answer is true. Again repeat, God can see in the night. It's true. Number 2, God cannot see the bottom of the sea. God cannot see the bottom of the sea. It's false or true? It's false, because God can see everything. Because God can see everything, you know children. So this sentence you write here false. Okay, next 3, God is present in the trees. God is present in the trees. It's true or false? Yes, this is true, because God is present everywhere. God knows everything, God can see everything, and God is present everywhere. So children, practice is very important. Again I repeat, number 1, God can see in the night. It's true. Number 2, God cannot see the bottom of the sea. It's false. Number 3, God is present in the tree. It's true. So I hope everyone understood chapter 4 page 13 B. Next page, chapter 4 page 13 C. Page 13 C. I write here the answer children. C. Answer the following questions. Number 1, who is the most beautiful person in your school? Who is the who is the most powerful person in your school? Who is the most powerful person in your school? So your answer, the most powerful person in our school is the principal. Who? Principal. So again I repeat, the most powerful answer is the most powerful person in our school is the principal. Number 1, who is the most powerful person in your school? Answer, the most powerful person in our school is the principal. Okay. Next, I write here the answer. Okay. Number 2, who is the most powerful person in your country? Who is the most powerful person in your country? Question number 2. Answer, you see here, the most powerful person in our country is the Prime Minister. Answer, the most powerful person in our country is the Prime Minister. Okay. Next, 3. Is God more powerful than them? Question, is God more powerful than them? Yes. I write here the answer. See. Yes. God is more powerful than them. Yes. Answer, yes. God is more powerful than them. Okay. Again I repeat. C. Question C1. Who is the most powerful person in your school? The most powerful person in our school is the principal. Number 2. Who is the most powerful person in your country? Person in your country. The most powerful person in our country is the Prime Minister. 3. Question 3. Is God more powerful than them? Yes. God is more powerful than them. So I hope everyone understood chapter 4 BC. Next, D. Page 14. Open the page, children. Page 14. Exercise D. See. Print these words in the boxes given below and color them. See, the crayons color is here. 3 crayons colors: blue, orange, and green. Okay. So see here, God can see everything. I write here. So you write first, God can see everything. Okay. Next, God can hear everything. You write here, God can hear everything. Okay. Next line. Third line, see here, God is present everywhere. So you write here, God is present everywhere. So you put the color, 3 colors, 3 boxes here. So put 3 colors also. Okay. So, and children, every words you write capital words. Okay. See the same words you write here. Okay. Not mix small letters. Next, E. Paste pictures of a mountain, a sea, and a tree below. Then write God is present everywhere. So important, ABC and ABC. Yes, ABC. So E. Do it on your own. Again I repeat, ABC, page 13, important page. It's very important page. A, B, C. So practice, children, is very important. Again I repeat. So write, take out your homework, take out your school diary and write your homework. Now children, homework chapter 4. You know, chapter name, God is all powerful. Chapter name, chapter 4, pages 13, 14. You know, 13A, 13B, C, and 14 page also. So children, I hope everyone understood. So practice nicely.